Friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of U-bend pipe in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to construct these sort of pipe models. Okay, so let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and we will select the XY plane. So this will be the front view. Here, take the rectangle command and here we are going to take 2-point rectangle. Select this as base point. Okay, and make a rectangle profile. Now go to dimension, define the width here as 125 mm. Okay, zoom out and the height will be of 150 mm. Okay, now escape. As I want a bend profile, so I'll define the radius at one side. So go to fillet and take care of radius of 65 mm. Select this and select this edge, select this and this. So this will be a curve profile. Escape. Now to open this profile, select this line, make it a construction unit. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now here you can see a bend profile has been created. Rotate the profile. Now we want a circular profile or a pipe profile over it. So go to the plane, select plane, select this point and select this line. Okay. Now select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate it. Now here first go to project geometry and project this point. Okay. Go to circle command. From this point, make a circle here of diameter 50. From same dia, make a circle of diameter 40. Okay. Go to 3D model, take sweep. Select the profile between them. Okay. So this will be the profile to sweep. Now click on path and select this as path. Okay. This is a hollow pipe. Now press OK. You can see the hollow pipe. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Now here we are going to make the flange profiles. Go to part 1. You can see here the flange profile. Go to part 2. Select this face of the pipe. Go to create sketch. Now here go to circle command. So this will be the center point. Make a diameter of 100 mm. Okay. And here go to project geometry and project this circle. This outer and this inner also. Now finish sketch. And here go to extrude command. Select this profile. If you don't select this circle, so this from here the pipe will get close. Now flip the direction. So this will be a joining profile and the distance here will be of 10 mm. Press OK. Okay, now you can see it is completely merged. Now we want the whole profiles here for mounting. Select this face, go to create sketch. Take the circle command. Select the center point. Make a circle here of diameter 80. And on this circle, we are going to make one circle of 8.5 diameter. Now escape. Now take the horizontal constraint, select the center point and select center point of the circle. Now escape again. Select this circle, make it a construction geometry. Okay, so this will be the pitch circle diameter. You can see it PCD. Now here take the circular pattern, select 8.5 dia circle, go to axis and select this as axis of rotation. Here we are going to take a count of 6 and the angle will be 360 degree. Now press OK. Now finish sketch and take the extrude command. Select this complete profile. Here click on cut. So the depth of cut will be 10 mm. When we rotate this, you can see this is a through hole. Press OK. Okay. Now we want same profile this side also. To generate the same profile, you have to make a mid plane. Go to plane, take offset from plane, go to origin and we will select the top plane, the exit plane. The total distance, center to center distance is 150. So we will take 75 mm and press OK. Now go to mirror command, select extrude 1 and extrude 2. Go to mirror plane, select this plane for mirror and press OK. So same profile is generated here. Now select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Go to part 1. Now we want this supporting plate over here. To generate this, go to part 2, and here we are going to take the XY plane, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay. Now here we will take some profile inside so as to make proper joining of this plate. Go to sketch, here go to project geometry, project these profiles. Okay, one by one. Now escape. Now go to offset and select this profile. Right click. Okay, loop selection is already there. So we'll give it as 1.5. This also 1.5. This 1.5. This here 1.5, and this also 1.5. Okay, escape. Okay. Now here you can see, drag this. Okay. So the proper joining should be there. Otherwise the profile will not get close. So we have to check all the joint points as the software is not taking the loop selection. Now select this inner profile one by one, this yellow projected geometry, and make it a construction geometry. Okay. Now take the line command. Here make a straight line. Escape. You can see if the line is not straight, you can see the waves. Select this line. Select the vertical constraint. So this is straight now. Go to dimension. From this inner edge, this will be at a distance of 25 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now select this line, make it construction. Select this line here, make it construction. Okay. Go to line. From here we will join till this point. Similarly from here we will join till this point. Okay. Now this is a closed profile. Now here go to 3D model, take extrude. So the software will pick this profile. Here we are going to take a dimension of 6 mm, and here we will take symmetric. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges, and we'll press OK. So this will be the profile. Now go to fillet, take here a fillet radius of 5 mm, go to edge selection, select this edge, rotate, select this edge, rotate, and we'll select this back side and this, and press OK. Rotate the profile again. From here you can take any appearance. I've taken horn. Okay, it's up to you what you want to take. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a U-bend pipe in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.